Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart, and we're here going over this brand new 160 Super Sport Boston Whaler powered by a Mercury 90 horse 4-stroke. This is an absolutely awesome boat. New design for Boston Whaler, released recently. This boat has a very nice storage compartment on the front of the console. Comes with a cooler center seat. And there is a cushion available for that seat. Also, there's a cushion available for the bow area where this big storage compartment is. Boat's got a very nice bimini top on it. And the trailer for this boat does have the swing tongue, so it'll fold back to allow you to fit the boat in the garage easily. You gotta ride on this boat, I'll tell you. It's a huge difference from what the older Whalers were. Definitely not the Whaler we grew up on as kids, for sure. Boston Whaler's done a magnificent job in engineering and redesign on these boats. All right, for more information or to get out and take a ride, please give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743.